Favorite pine tree. This is Oregon Green Pine. It's related to our ponderosa pines. Let me back up so you can see this is a tall one. So this is at about a 25-gallon size, standing overhead height. You can just see this nice, thick, green foliage. These are the new candles coming up, and so it gets up, 35 feet tall. Kind of keeps its foliage right down to the ground, whereas a ponderosa, I mean, I don't like ponderosas. You're planting the trunk and the foliage is up there and they throw a lot of foliage off. This one is not as trashy or not as many foliage. It's nice, looks more like a Christmas tree, holds its foliage right down to the ground, but Oregon Green Austrian Pines. If I were planting a pine tree in my yard, I wanted something to block, screen, kind of evergreen, go with that one over the others.
Click on the link below for more information. Of course, the plants are available here at Waters Garden Center, but the idea of every day at 11:30, Monday through Friday, lunchtime special is to give you something inspiring, something natural to look at, something that'll help you be a better gardener or just fun to relax with, and available at Waters Garden Center.